Hello students, welcome back to English grammar class. Today we will start book number 3, lesson number 5. So students, be ready with the book. Take out your book and page number 6. Today's topic is pronouns. Today's topic is pronouns. So listen to it carefully. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. Children, you know what is noun? Noun means naming word. When we use a word in place of noun, that is called pronoun. You see the example? Raj is in class 2. Raj likes doing sums. If you see the example properly, you will learn the pronoun nicely. So, students, you see the example. Raj is in class 2. Raj likes doing sums. You follow the note. Instead of saying the names, we can use pronouns. Instead of saying the names, we can use pronouns. Like, Raj is in class 2. He likes doing sums. That means in place of Raj, you can use he. That is called pronoun. Here you see example 2. Sudha went to the market. She got apples and cherries from the market. In place of Sudha, in the second sentence, I have used she. That means instead of using a word again and again, means instead of using the names again and again, we can use pronouns. He, she, they, we, these all are pronouns. Here you see the picture and you follow the sentence. I am dancing. So, I is the pronoun here. Here you see the second picture. They are reading a storybook. So, here which one is pronoun? They is pronoun. Here you see the third picture. He is singing. So, here he is the pronoun. This is a dog. It is brown. You see the note? For animals and things, we usually use the word it. So students, I hope you have understood. If you will practice at home and you will go through the book, it will be more clear to you. So students, you take out page number 6. Question number A you see. Fill in the blanks with correct pronouns from the brackets. Number 1, question number A, number 1. Dash is an intelligent girl. Here option is given, he or she. What will be the correct option? She will be the correct option. Then go to number 4. Dash are going camping tomorrow. Options are they or us. So here will be they. They are going camping tomorrow. Then move to question number 6. Dash went to the park last evening. Options are us or we. Here will be the correct option we. So this way you will fill up the other, fill in the gap. So students, you move to question number B. You move to question number B, page number 7. You see the question, use the correct pronouns to complete this paragraph. Yesterday, I met a girl at the park. Dash was very nice and soft-spoken. So, what will be the correct answer, correct option? Option is not given here. You will have to do it yourself. You see, she was very nice and soft spoken. Next line you follow. Dash parents were taking her to the park. So here will be her parents were taking her to the park. This way you will have to fill up the blanks onwards. So students, hope you have understood how to solve the questions here. This way you can practice at home also. So today pronouns I have explained. You practice at home. Practice. With the practice, it will be more clear to you. I have explained, but you will have to go through the book and you will have to practice also. Then it will be more clear to you. So students, I am ending my class today here. See you next time. Thank you.